Hey, is this your first time in Ohio? Wow, do you want to stay here forever? Grrr. I'm sorry, what I meant to say was you're gonna stay here forever. Here, you'll need one of these so your brain doesn't get fried from the ultraviolet rays.
Oh no! But I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Come on, I'll show you around. Here in Ohio, we have all the numbers. Come on. We got 1, we got 2, we got 3. We don't talk about number. We got number 5 and 7. But over there, we got my favorite number.
President, baby, I'm with it.
This is my favorite number in the world, the number 0. Nothing weird ever happens to the number 0. Come on, it's not safe. Come in my mouth. Okay, cool. We're safe.
Open the door.
Who was that?
Open the door.
Why you ain't accept my friend request?
Oh my God, no way, yeah, yeah.